Hello, Chef here. Once again, I find myself with a knife that could use a little bit of sharpening. This is the Porsche Turbo. Love it. Using the guide clips, and the guide clips go right over the knife like this. Doesn't scratch the knife. Plastic lined stainless steel. Yeah, love them. So that gives you the perfect angle. And the stone should be wet. This is a Japanese water stone. It's made in Japan. Super high quality. I mark them on the sides so I know exactly what they are. That's an 8,000. 8,000 is very fine. It's good for just some fine honing. Here we go. And repeat the other side. Okay, and then maybe a few more strokes. Now you can't see the edge, but trust me, that knife is not only sharper, it's got a perfect V at the bottom. The last thing I like to do is use a leather strop, just like this. I'm gonna check it with with the guide clips still on. It's pretty sharp, wouldn't you say? For the day. Just remove that, wipe the knife off, you're good to go. All the products used are in stock at your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. At the lowest possible price.